Here we are, faced with another company awards presentation and the same old problem. Boring, predictable, ugly awards. Before you go back to that ancient wooden wall plaque, the crystal blob that doubles as a doorstop, or the paperweight my grandmother wouldn't even like, why not take a look at a custom, logo-designed award? New technology makes it possible to turn your logo into an award of any shape, size, or price point. How do we do it? We have at our facility an army of designers that are driven to be the greatest awards designers on the planet. Within hours of you submitting your logo, we will have briefed the troops and asked them to prepare for a project of epic importance. In order to channel their fervor, our creative teams hold secret meetings and meditate in groups to come up with psychedelic ideas for your awards project. In general, it will take just a few days to produce several virtual designs, sure to please your suits and your accountants. If you don't like what our creative team has come up with, don't worry, we will go back to the drawing board without delay. Once we get your feedback, changes in shape, size, budget, or application can again be made in record time. We know that awards are a form of identity, a historic record of your organization's culture and history, so we've got everyone under strict orders to make it exceptional. Most orders can be produced in about 2 weeks and then shipped anywhere in the universe. There are a few rules to make sure we remain friends, but once you see the reaction of the award recipient, you will never buy another award from anyone else, ever. Send us your logo today.